Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a video today is to accompany one of our Etsy listings, and it's for this drum just here. So this is a horse skin drum. It has the hair left on, as you can see. It's rather beautiful. It's very tactile. It's on 20-inch frame, and it's an ashwood frame. If I turn it over, you can see the way that it's been laced with artificial sinew. It's got this inner circle, which is also sinew, but it's been bound with sari rope for decoration. And the ends I've left as for streamers to come down, which is rather lovely too. This is birch branch handle here. It's bound in the middle with some leather, and on the ends here. On the inside of the frame, I've put my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums. I put horse and ash. But I've also put the date when the drum was birthed, which was the 13th of November 2023 in Knighton, Powys, UK. That's for the astrological information that you'll need to work out what energies were around on the day the drum was birthed. So I'm going to play with two beaters, a firm beater and a soft beater. This is a softer one. I'm going to start with this one. Either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum if you decide that this is the right drum for you. So yeah, I'll start with the soft one and I'll swap over and use the firmer one in a little while. Here we go. Gorgeous. And the firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope this little video has helped you to make a more informed decision. That's why I make these little videos, so you can come along and have a little listen. I'm Crow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.